You are sitting on a crowded train and you feel that unmistakable sensation of eyes drifting toward your phone screen. It is an invasion of space. It makes everyone reach for a privacy filter. This brand called WSKEN has been tearing up the charts lately. It is earning a serious reputation. Independent lab tests are ranking them in the top 3 for overall quality. They're even beating out the massive legacy brands when it comes to design and impact resistance. The installation process is the real magic trick here. You get this specialized tray that handles everything for you. It aligns the glass perfectly. It removes the dust in about 10 seconds flat. It is the smoothest experience on the market. But now they have introduced this 4-way 360-degree version. It promises to block prying eyes from every single direction. That means left, right, up and down. On paper, it sounds like the ultimate shield for your personal data. However, you have to look at the physics to understand the hidden cost. These protectors use something called micro-louver technology. Think of them as microscopic blinds embedded inside the glass. A standard protector uses vertical blinds to block the person sitting next to you. This new version adds horizontal blinds to the mix. It creates a tiny grid that traps the light. This sounds great until you realize what it does to your display. You are essentially putting your screen behind a set of very thick curtains. Reliable studies show that these filters can kill your brightness by as much as 33%. That is a massive portion of your screen's power just gone. Even the biggest smartphone manufacturers have confirmed this in their own testing. You start to notice a real shift in the colors. The bright whites start looking a bit gray. Those vibrant colors you paid for suddenly look dull. This is the part that the social media ads never mention. When you have a 4-way grid, you are filtering out way more light than a standard 2-way protector. Your screen gets significantly dimmer. You then find yourself cranking your brightness to the maximum just to see a simple text message. That leads to a massive drain on your battery life. You are literally burning through your phone's longevity just to stop someone from looking over your shoulder. You have to ask yourself if that trade-off is actually worth it. Most of us just want to stop the person in the next seat from reading our texts. The standard side-to-side protection does that perfectly. It gives you the privacy you want without sacrificing the beauty of your display or the health of your battery. The 4-way version is a specialized tool. It belongs in high-security environments where people are literally standing behind you while you work. For the rest of us, it is probably overkill. Stick with the standard 25-degree version. You still get that incredible build quality. You get that effortless installation tray. You just get to keep your brightness and your battery life too. It is about being smart with your tech choices. Do not just buy the most extreme option available. Privacy is important. It should not make your phone a chore to use every day. Use the standard protection and enjoy your screen the way it was meant to be seen. You will save your battery and your eyes in the long run.